everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a special regional dish. Now this dish is one of Tamil Nadu's favorite dishes. This is Vatha Kulambu, Sadam or Vatha Kulambu rice, and this is a one pot dish and we're going to make this in a pressure cooker. Let's get started and check it out.
Take a pressure cooker and heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it's nice and hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and a quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds and 2 dry red chillies cut. Let them sizzle and roast till the mustard begins to splutter. Now add a quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida powder followed by 1 tablespoon of dried black nightshade berries and 1 tablespoon of dried turkey berries. These traditional dried berries add an incredible flavor and crunch. You don't need to have both to make this particular rice. Even if you have one, that will do. Keep the flame low and roast them gently until they puff up and release their aroma. Next, toss in 5 to 6 garlic cloves. I've sliced up the big ones. If you have smaller variety, you can just add them as a whole. Then add 15 to 20 small shallots along with a few fresh curry leaves. Saute well till everything turns golden and fragrant. Time to spice things up. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoons of Colombo Melagai Thool, which means Colombo chili powder. This is available in supermarkets or you can purchase it online. This special chili powder is used for tangy and spicy curries and gravies. Now add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and roast the masalas until the raw smell has completely gone. For the tangy base, I've soaked a small lemon-sized ball of tamarind and extracted its juice. Now pour this tamarind puree into the cooker and give it a good stir. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. Once it starts bubbling and the raw smell has gone, let's add some more water. Now for the rice, I've taken half cup of raw rice. It's a 125 ml cup measurement. To get that soft, gooey consistency, we'll add 4 cups of water. This is the secret to getting that comforting texture. Drop in a small piece of jaggery too. This beautifully balances the spicy, tangy flavors. Taste the mixture now and adjust the salt if required. Next, add the soaked rice into the boiling tamarind water. Mix everything well. If you can, soak the rice for at least 30 minutes beforehand. This really helps in getting that smooth, gooey texture. Once the water and rice come to a rolling boil, close the pressure cooker, place the weight and let this cook on medium flame for about 4 whistles. After that, turn off the flame and let the pressure release naturally. When you open the cooker, you'll be greeted with the most aromatic, perfectly cooked Vatha Kulambu Sadam. Finally, add a teaspoon of ghee for that irresistible flavor and give it all a nice mix. I'm serving this piping hot Vatha Kulambu Sadam with crispy potato fry and some crunchy frams by the side. This combination is just heavenly. Spicy, tangy, smoky and so comforting. This one pot wonder is a lifesaver for busy mornings and a delight for family meals. Try it out, enjoy the burst of flavors and don't forget to let me know how you liked it. I have made several one pot recipes. We'll share some of the links. Do check them out.
Well, I can't wait to try this special Vatha Kulambu rice. It's one of my favorites. It's literally melting in my mouth. The flavors are amazing. The tanginess, the spiciness, it's got a perfect balance. And the rice is cooked so beautifully. It's a wonderful one pot dish. Well, I really enjoy that rice. It's a very simple one-pot dish that you can make in just about 15 to 20 minutes. It makes for a wonderful lunchbox recipe as well. Make sure to follow all the steps to get it perfectly. And I'll catch you guys with another interesting recipe. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.